Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FBS. We click on settings. In this window, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FBS and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your attention.